And here's the final result. You know, I suppose instead of using a mortar and pestle, I could have to put this in a blender. But I have this belief that blending things too fine does not give it that explosion of flavors. You know, when everything's all mixed up in one piece, doesn't seem as explosive to me. The only regret now is I wish I had sticky rice ready to try with this warm, hot sauce. So it's more of a paste, Southeast Asian. I would call it tomato jaew, or as you saw, I use Chinese squash as well in there. So anyways, looking forward to trying it. Thanks for following. Bye-bye. Okay, so I just made a fresh batch of sticky rice. And one of the first things I like to do after making this jaew, this is the Laotian Jaew that is tomato base. It has garlic, a little bit of fish sauce. There is Celtic salt and Himalayan pink salt in it as well for flavoring. I chopped up some cilantro. Let me get this before I dry here. I chopped up some cilantro, and it doesn't need to be cooked, but the cilantro, because of the cooking process, was so hot that the cilantro just melts in there as well. Garlic, as I said earlier, and having it with sticky rice is one of the best comfort foods ever. It's delicious. Here we go. And like I said earlier, I make mine kind of thick. I don't, you could put this in a blender and puree it really, really fine, but it doesn't do it for me. It doesn't, it makes it too smooth of a flavor. I like a really strong opponent like this, where you have to pick up the pieces almost. And there you go. Delicious.